Welcome to my channel. We are going to talk about the Cambrian explosion of life. The spectacular and apparently sudden faunal diversity seen in the fossils that appear globally in the Cambrian successions has often been referred to as the Cambrian explosion of life. It wasn't a sudden event like a miracle, nor was it an explosion similar to the supernova explosion in space with which you are familiar. The Cambrian sedimentary successions, about 600 million years old, enclose a great variety of petrified fossils within sections that should have been deposited in a relatively short geological time, the time span of 50 million years. That is why paleobiologists and paleontologists refer to it as the Cambrian explosion of life. We know that the initial struggle by the bacteria and the blue-green algae or cyanobacteria for survival was itself so intriguing, intense, and discontinuous. They eventually developed into the oxygen manufacturing biosystems. You are familiar with photosynthesis. Through a very long and tumultuous time span of the Precambrian eon, say 3,800 to 600 million years ago, with the help of biophyral components in the conducive EH-pH temperature environment of the then oceans. The Proterozoic era, say 2,500 to 570 million years ago, was even a greater time changer. The earlier carbon dioxide laden and the later oxygenated atmosphere, while reacting with the ocean's ocean crust and the then continental crust, also contributed to the biophile inventory. The different kinds of volcanic eruptions, say ultramafic, mafic, or felsic eruptions, and the deposition of biogeochemically precipitated iron formations, phosphorites, chert, and limestones, and also the onslaught of the two ice ages of the Proterozoic, brought about eventually such a milieu in which the then life forms could acquire their shells and body hard parts, which could then be petrified or fossilized when entombed with the sediments. In episode 14 of our series, The Mother Earth, we did describe the different adversities faced by the early life, didn't we? The inception and survival depended on so many planetary and geotectonic factors that were unique to the Earth. The Cambrian diversity had that background of more than 3 billion years duration. But the volcanic activity, the prolonged weathering and erosion of the Earth's crust, provided the necessary biophile elements in water-dissolved form. The pattern in ocean currents also supported the biological evolution. The antiquity and continued presence of the protective magnetosphere cannot also be ignored. We will talk about some more aspects of this Precambrian history of the Earth in the next episode. Thank you.